Imagine a world, a reality, where the concept of zero simply doesn't exist. No symbol to represent nothing, no placeholder, not even the abstract concept of emptiness. How would you write the number 101? Think about it. Or accurately show an empty bank account reflecting a balance of absolutely nothing. Ancient civilizations, brilliant as they were, grappled with this exact problem, this mathematical void. Their math was like building a magnificent castle, but always missing a crucial piece, forever unstable and incomplete. Without zero to act as a placeholder and a value, even simple arithmetic and basic record-keeping were a constant nightmare. The Romans, with their impressive empire, had no zero, making their mathematical calculations clunky, cumbersome, and prone to errors. Zero is far more than just a number on a list. It's the fundamental anchor, the bedrock for our entire number system and mathematical understanding. Think of 0 degrees Celsius, the freezing point of water, a crucial reference, or the origin point on a graph, the very foundation of a coordinate system. Without it, accurate mapping, science, complex technology would quickly become lost in a sea of confusion and miscalculation. Progress in every field would crawl at a snail's pace, and even the most basic financial transactions would descend into a chaotic mess. Modern computers, the intricacies of advanced physics, and even something as simple as grocery shopping would become nearly, if not entirely, impossible to manage effectively. That seemingly simple circle, zero, is in reality the very foundation upon which our entire modern world is built. It's the often overlooked yet undeniably powerful, hidden superhero of mathematics. So, what is zero really? It's a concept that seems simple on the surface, but it holds a profound depth when you start to explore its implications. It's not just nothing, it's a number with unique powers, a cornerstone of our mathematical understanding. Zero allows us to perform complex calculations and build intricate systems. Zero sits at the center of the number line, a pivotal point, separating positives from negatives, acting as the great divider between values greater and less than itself. It's the anchor that gives the number line its balance. It's the identity for addition, the element that preserves the original value. Add zero, nothing changes. It's a fundamental property that simplifies countless operations. Subtract zero, same result. The value remains constant, unaffected by its absence. This stability lets us solve equations and manipulate variables with confidence, knowing that zero won't disrupt the underlying relationships. But zero's real magic is as a placeholder, a silent guardian of magnitude. In 502, that zero tells us there are no tens. It signifies the absence of a specific quantity in that place value, giving structure and clarity to our numerical representation. Without it, numbers like 52, 502, or 5002 would be hopelessly confusing, their values indistinguishable without the strategic placement of zero. Zero is the only number with this double life, a dual role that sets it apart. Both a value and a structural tool, an intrinsic part of the number itself, and a vital component of its position. It's the quiet hero that makes our number system, the backbone of quantitative reasoning, scalable and precise, allowing us to represent everything from the smallest fractions to the largest astronomical figures. Zero's versatility is the secret to its genius, its ability to adapt to different roles and contexts. It's the ultimate team player in mathematics, working seamlessly with other numbers to create a cohesive and functional system. Without zero, our entire system of counting and calculating would collapse, leaving us in a state of numerical chaos. Many cultures throughout history use symbols for nothing, but these were only used as placeholders, nothing more. The real breakthrough came in 7th century India. It was all thanks to Brahmagupta, a brilliant astronomer and mathematician. He saw shunya, the void. He viewed it not just as absence but as a number in its own right. In his groundbreaking book Brahmasfuta Siddhanta, Brahmagupta gave zero its own set of rules. A number plus zero is itself. And conversely, a number minus itself is zero. This was truly revolutionary. Suddenly zero became a real number, not just a gap or placeholder. Brahmagupta's rules laid the groundwork. They paved the way for algebra and modern math as we know it. He turned the abstract idea of nothing into a practical tool, useful for solving real problems. By giving zero a job description, he unlocked a new universe, filled with mathematical possibilities. Brahmagupta didn't invent zero, but he was the one who truly made it powerful. Brahmagupta didn't just declare zero a number, he wrote its rulebook. He defined addition, subtraction, and multiplication with zero, add or subtract zero, nothing changes. Multiply by 0, the result is 0. This zero product property is key to solving equations and underpins algebra. He also tackled division 0 divided by any number is 0. But dividing by 0? Brahmagupta described it, but the puzzle remained unsolved for centuries, leading to the concept of infinity. His rules made arithmetic consistent and opened the door to abstract math. Brahmagupta's work allowed negative numbers and 0 to operate alongside positives. He didn't just add a number, he added a new dimension to mathematics. His framework transformed math from simple counting to a system of logic and discovery. 0 became the foundation for all higher mathematics. Once 0 was a true number, it began its journey from India across the world. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system, with 0 at its core, spread along trade routes like the Silk Road. In the Islamic Golden Age, scholars like Al-Khwarizmi translated and championed these ideas, giving us words like algebra and algorithm. The system moved west, but Europe resisted. Roman numerals ruled, and 0 was seen as suspicious or even dangerous. Merchants feared forgery, and some authorities banned the new numerals, but the system's efficiency won out. Fibonacci's Liber Abaci showed Europe the power of 0 for commerce and calculation. Slowly, 0 and its numerals became standard, fueling the Renaissance. Science, art, and exploration flourished with this new mathematical tool. 0 transformed every culture it touched. Its journey changed the world. 0's impact is everywhere, woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. It's a silent force, shaping the way we interact with the world around us. From the simplest calculations to the most complex algorithms, 0 plays a crucial role, especially in computing, where it's absolutely fundamental. It's the bedrock upon which our digital world is built. Computers run on binary, a system that relies entirely on the presence or absence of an electrical signal. Ones and zeros. These two digits are the language of computers, the foundation of all digital information. Without 0, there's no off, no way to represent the absence of a signal. No digital world as we know it could exist. It's the foundation of every program, every application, every website, every email, video, or game is just a sequence of ones and zeros, meticulously arranged to convey information. 0 is the silent partner in every digital transaction, ensuring accuracy and security. The foundation of our high-tech society, quietly enabling the seamless flow of information and commerce. In science, 0 is a reference point, a crucial marker for understanding the universe. Absolute 0 in physics, the theoretical point at which all molecular motion ceases. The baseline in engineering, providing a stable foundation for calculations and designs. The origin in calculus, the starting point for understanding change and motion. It's on our clocks, marking the beginning of each hour. Bank accounts, representing a balance of nothing, or the starting point for building wealth. Thermometers and GPS, providing accurate readings and precise location data. 0 gives us precision, allowing us to measure and calculate with incredible accuracy. Clarity, helping us to understand complex systems and make informed decisions. And a starting point in a messy world, providing a sense of order and structure. It's the bedrock of measurement and technology, the foundation upon which so much of our modern world is built. The journey from abstract idea to indispensable tool highlights its profound impact. Shows the power of a single concept, a testament to the ingenuity of the human mind. Every time you use a device, whether it's a smartphone, a computer, or a tablet, you're relying on 0, even if you don't realize it. 0 is the invisible engine of the modern age, quietly powering our world. 0's story is more than math. It's a lesson in the power of ideas. From Brahmagupta's insight to the digital world, 0 shows how defining the undefined can spark revolutions. It's a symbol of possibility. From emptiness came creation. Algebra, calculus, computers. 0's journey reminds us that knowledge knows no borders and grows as it's shared. It's a story of human curiosity and collaboration. 0 teaches us to look for the missing pieces, the radical ideas hiding in plain sight. It's both a starting point and an end, the gateway to infinite potential. Next time you see that humble circle, remember, sometimes the most powerful thing you can discover is nothing at all. In that nothing, you might just find the key to everything.